Hello everybody, welcome back to another update video on NIO. So in this one, NIO stock is up quite a bit today, and of course that is because NIO Day for 2021 is tomorrow. We have a lot of things to expect, and all that kind of good stuff is definitely going to be influencing the stock price over the next day or so, and possibly even into the next year and onwards. So we'll just have to see what does come out. But of course tonight I'm going to be giving all of my opinions on that kind of good stuff. If it sounds like a plan, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You guys already know that we're trying to grow the channel as fast as possible, so it would be massively appreciated. Of course, if you want to come and join us on Discord to talk about stocks, the link will be down in the description, and if you want to become a channel member, you can do so by pressing the join button. But yeah, let's jump straight into this one by looking at how NIO has been moving, mainly over the past month or so, and then onwards, and then of course today, based on what we are seeing tomorrow. So yeah, starting off on the 6-month period, actually, we can see NIO is actually up to new highs now. Now this is a good thing that we wanted to see for a while, because if we do recall from this period around here, NIO stock was doing ever so well, and then there was that potential ban of, Chinese stocks. Now of course this is looking more and more unlikely as Trump comes out of the White House, as these companies comply with the rules which people want to see in America to mean that they can stay on the market. So personally, it's probably not going to happen, but yeah, that was why it took the initial dip. So of course from there we didn't have much bad news about this, not a lot of more continuing news, so subsequently it has started to go back up over more recent weeks, and of course I do think this is a good thing because this company is a very decent company. Now, of course, previously, before that, we saw a big increase from the companies basically over the past year, and this was due to the fact that buy ratings for the company just kept going up and up and up. Different analysts were saying this stock is a decent buy, it's a great buy, it's going to be valued at $40, $50, $60, and of course, every time the buy rating went up, every time somebody said it was a good buy, a lot more people did buy it, and of course, that pushed us up to this huge high that we saw here. Now, of course, I even don't think it was too overvalued here. I think it was doing very well, but obviously then we had that downturn because of the reason which I just mentioned, and now things are looking decent. We are back into the green. So of course on the 1-month chart we can see today saw a big substantial growth, and so did yesterday, as people are anticipating that NIO Day, and I think it's fair enough for people to anticipate that. I think hopefully we'll see it go up a bit more tomorrow. But yeah, on the 5-day chart we can see, if you'd have bought in last week and held until right now, you would have been sat at a 13% increase. Now I think that's a very decent increase, and like I said, most of that is coming from today. So yeah, things to take away from this video, because we are not over yet. NIO Day is obviously January the 9th of 2021. Today is the 8th of January, so we can tell that's just going to be tomorrow. Now of course this article here is saying that it's a possibility that NIO could release an autonomous driving sedan. I'm not too sure how true that is, but I do believe something special will be coming out. So of course for that reason I think NIO, it's a hard one to say with NIO, especially at this point, because personally I do own shares of NIO, I like the company, but with the event being tomorrow, depending on what does get unveiled, it could have a huge influence on the share price for definitely the next day, if not the next few weeks. So when it comes to the question of would I buy NIO, well, the thing is, if you wanted to day trade NIO, and of course I don't know much about day trading, it's not what I like to do, but if you are good at that, possibly, and by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you did want to do that, maybe tomorrow is the opportunity. You could possibly buy in that market open, wait for that event to happen, and just see what happens, see how things go along. Of course, if you wanted to swing trade this one, it definitely does depend. It's a very speculative bet, because we just don't know what is going to be unveiled tomorrow until it is unveiled, and at that point it will probably be too late. But yeah, if you are interested in NIO, I would definitely be watching tomorrow, very open-eyed, because obviously what happens tomorrow can definitely have a big influence on NIO over the next year or so, because of course if they introduce some revolutionary product, for example a cheaper car, I think you could still buy the stock and still consider it a decent buy, because obviously the revenue will go up, and subsequently buy ratings will go up, and a lot more people will invest over the long term. If it's something a bit more short term, it's hard to say, but let's hope there's something game changing coming out tomorrow with this stock. I hope you enjoyed my quick opinion. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.